Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another vlog on my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are having a good day. Today, we're working on the Del Sol again. And it's going to have to do with that thing. So a couple days ago, I bought this. This is a Momo steering wheel with an NRG hub, or a quick release. And it actually had an NRG hub on it too. But, turns out, I bought it and it was the wrong size hub. So I had to go on Amazon and buy another one. I sold the other one, and basically now it'll fit my car. So in this box right here, if I can get this open with one hand, is the new part that I ordered. And this will go right on the back of this. So these bolts will go into there. And then this is all going to be replacing my OEM steering wheel. So has this been done a million times on YouTube already? Absolutely. So I'm not really going to be showing you guys how to. There's a million videos on it. I'm just going to kind of do it and bring you guys along with me. One piece is off. Hello?
Hey,
Hey.
the car's the van's overheating.
Can you come pick us up and bring us home so that we can take my future and go see Daniel? Do you have the key to the Sequoia? Grab
Yeah.
the Sequoia.
I think so.
Okay, drive over here.
Well, change of plans. We gotta go save my parents. Let's go. We gotta go. Well, just kidding. Let's see, because the Mercedes is in the way. Mom.
Hello?
Can you ask Dad if he has the Mercedes key?
Do you have the Mercedes key? It's in his pocket. Use the truck.
Well,
And I hate to break it to... Why, what's wrong?
the Mercedes is in the way of the truck.
Come get Dad, bring him home, and then he can swing by here and pick me up.
Alright, I will be right there. Alright, now we actually gotta go. Man, now there's parts all over my car, and my dad's gonna be like, what are you doing to your car now? He's gonna be so suspicious when that is gone, and it's just the key. And for any of you asking how the tin is doing from last video, that is how the tin is doing. It's falling off. But I think it's fine. Don't vlog and drive. I'll be right back. Hello, sir? You need a ride? Uber? Uber? Hello?
Hello. We've given up on doing the Daniel thing.
Oh.
All the time, yeah.
Can you give me a 15-second synopsis of what just happened? Thermostat's broken, so what am I doing?
Then Dad and I were driving, car overheated, and then the dinger went ding, ding, and then it started going ding, 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 ding. So we parked it here.
Hey, I'm going home. I'm going home. Good luck with your tow truck. Good luck with your tow truck.
My Instagram story.
Okay, Boomer.
You've been wanting me to drive it. No, you don't want me to drive it?
Well, because it's kind of
Thank you, buddy.
mini disassembled at the moment, and you're going to roast me for it.
What's the disassembled?
The steering wheel, steering column.
Did you replace it already? You know you need a special tool to do that. No! Isn't there an airbag on there? Okay.
Okay, we're back. Saved my parents. We're going to get back to the regularly scheduled video. is the airbag. Airbag's finally out. Aha! Did it come off? Yes, sir. Easy as that.
Should videotape it.
I am. I'm on time lapse.
Oh.
Okay, so I have this out. This is all loose now. I can pull this out. So now, behind this is a clock spring. And I just have to figure out what to do with this. And the cruise control is plugged in still. So yeah, we're gonna figure this out. Okay, after much deliberating, I got these two out and I got this out. So now the steering wheel should, hypothetically, wheels all straight, you just slide those through. And here we have an OEM steering wheel and a car with no steering wheel. After extensive car surgery, I think this should be coming out now. Oh, right there. This thing took like at least 45 minutes to get out. But it's out, now we can continue on with the install. Should be pretty simple from here. We gotta put this brand new hub on. Like so. Put this nut back on. Like so. And then from here we're just gonna put everything else back on, all these trim pieces. This goes under here, and then we need the over one, and then we should be good. Okay, top piece is back on, then we're gonna put the bottom one. Slide this back through, move my keys out of the way. Okay, so now we're gonna take the back of this, where all these bolts are. Oh, there goes my bolt. And then we're gonna take this part and just put it up to there. Just like that. Okay, so this just got put on. All 5 of these are in. There's supposed to be 6, but don't worry about that. This is sturdy as hell already. So, final step on the other side of the quick release. Put it on. Right there. And that is a complete steering wheel right there. Okay, so now that this is back in, I gotta clean up my mess. Clean all that up, clean this up. Unplug, re-plug in my battery over there, and then we'll go out for a drive. We did it, boys. We got the Momo steering wheel in. Yeah. That's gonna be it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Spam the comments, please, and likes. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.